Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to talk about our hair. Now, for a couple of days, I have been thinking, no, I would say for more than a couple of days, I've been thinking about should I texturize my hair or should I perm my hair? Because I want to just change up my look, and I've been really thinking hard about a pixie cut.
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
So, I made a pros and cons list, guys, and we're going to go over this list, okay? We're going to go over the list. Now, guys, y'all know that my hair, I love texturizers. Right now, I do not have a texturizer in my hair, and this is what my curls, look like. Okay? Y'all see that? This is what my curls look like. Y'all also know that the other day we washed our hair really, really good, and we styled it, and we put like Nairobi mousse on there, gel, and Vaseline, because I was gonna texturize my hair the other day. So I said, let me base it now, and then when I get up tomorrow, I will texturize my hair. But of course, once again, the weather did not permit it, so I did not texturize my hair. I decided to see if it would curl up, since I already had base on it and everything, because I want to be sure, guys, because once I do one thing, you can't do the other. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, one time before, when I had permed my hair, I regretted it. I don't even think a full day passed. I had my hair and I was wearing it natural, and I was doing like straw sets on it, and I liked my hair being natural because I could do any color that I wanted. And one of the colors that I was rocking back then was like a Mary J. Blige red. And I would just straw set my hair, and just, my hair was beautiful. All right, guys, so I really like that. And that's the thing that I'm going back and forth between. Now, my hair, it gets really, really tight. It curls up really, really tight, guys. And like I told you guys before, I'm looking at everything that we have been doing to our hair, from, moisturizing it. Y'all know I love to moisturize my hair with this. Uh, and from our concoctions, you know, the concoctions we made, I love my concoctions, that we have made for our hair to try to soften up our curl. And y'all know about the shampoo and conditioner that I have started using that has really made a difference. That shampoo and conditioner has not disappointed. I don't see myself switching from that anytime soon. So guys, I'm trying to think about it, of how I am. I love change, and I'm trying to think, what is more important, a process or a color? Now, because I know my hair, guys, I know what will make my hair thin out. I know what will make my hair break off, shed. Um, uh, a lot of times we keep on repeating the same mistakes, thinking that we know better next time. But I know better than to keep on doing that vicious cycle. So, like I said, I made a little list here, guys, and it's either going to be a perm or texturizer or natural. Just leave my hair natural. Okay, let's talk about my natural hair. What I don't like about my natural hair is the fact that it just, when the curls is in there, guys, because we cut our hair the other day and we faded it off. When the curls is in there, they get really, really tight. But my curls are softer because of the things that we have been doing to our hair, like our concoctions, and finding the products that really help let our hair lock in that moisture. My hair do not revert back to looking like just a whole bunch of separated naps. That's the way my hair used to look. Anytime I would set my hair and put a product on it. So my hair is softer because of everything that we have been doing. Then I said, okay, that's what you like about your natural hair. Nothing is on it, so you have options. If you want, you can color your hair. But You know, your hair is not going to come out immediately or break off immediately because you're adding moisture to it. Because I don't care, guys, especially when you're pulling a color pigment from your hair, you are weakening your hair. It's like peeling a banana. It's like peeling a banana. You're stripping off, layers, and that's what a perm does. The color go underneath the shaft of the hair and lay there and everything, but it still have those drying components, especially if you're using bleach. Now, guys, I have went blonde and platinum before, and that was on me. I'm telling you guys, wanting to go blonde and platinum, oh my goodness, I could not let it go. But guys, I'm gonna tell you, I would never do that again. I would never do that again. It was so, oh my goodness. It was terrible. I wore it, I did it, I wore it, and the desire wouldn't have went anywhere if I hadn't have went, platinum and dyed my hair, but it was just too much maintenance, and I had to keep on applying that stuff. My hair was not liking it. It looked like somebody just shot my head full of a shotgun full of just boom, 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 because your hair is going to break off. I don't care what nobody say. That's something that if you're thinking about going blonde or platinum, just accept that fact. It's going to dry out and it's going to come out. Okay, put mine did. Okay, and I know for a fact that that's what happens. So we're not going to even go here or there with it. That was a strong desire on me to go blonde or platinum. And when I did it, guys, yes, I did enjoy it. I was glad that I got that monkey off my back. But guys, would I do it again? Hell no. No. So, but if I hadn't did it, I still would have been sitting up here wanting it. So now I'm facing the fact with a perm and a texturizer. Now, guys, if I was to do a perm, it would be a Cream of Nature. I like the Cantu line and I like the Cream of Nature line. For a matter of fact, Cream of Nature is what I use for like a leave-in, spray conditioner, for my hair. I love Cream of Nature, guys. And when I was wearing perms, I wore Cream of Nature, the regular strength, mild, you don't want nothing really harsh, guys. The more heavier, like extra strength and all that, that's the fastest you have to move, and they got more stuff in there that's just going to no. So we're not going to get off into that. Like I said, I like my natural hair because I have choices. And I know if I put a color on my hair, it won't be as damaging as combining a color with a texturizer or perm. So I'm looking at that as far as my natural hair. My hair is strong. I told y'all the treatments that we do, and my hair is strong. It may be short because that's the way I like it, but it is in good condition. It's taken to the moisturizers. It's strong. When y'all see me pick and comb out my hair, y'all know it's longer than this. It's not, because of what we've been doing, it has not been balling up as tight as it usually does, guys, because my hair, ooh. Okay, so the pros for a perm. The pros for the perm is, you have straight hair, right? You have straight hair. Also, it can be both. If I put a perm in my hair and my hair is like this, say my hair is tight like this, my curls are tight like this, I have to know when to take that perm out of my hair before my curl completely straighten out like that, because it's not going to do this. I have to know when to stop that perm, So trying to use a perm as a texturizer, guys, it can be done, but that's something that I know I'm not going to do. And the reason why I even considered that is because I said, okay, if I am lucky enough to take that perm out of my hair before I straighten my hair all the way out, then maybe I can use a nice foam like Nairobi and things of that nature for when I want to wear a straight pixie. I can put that on my hair, and straighten it out, and wear my little pixie cut and things like that. And then when I'm tired of that, I can wash my hair and revert it back to being curly, right? Now I know you have some girls out here with with natural hair that can get it straight and things of that nature, But anytime humidity or anything hit my hair is going to revert back to being nappy. It's going to revert back to being frizzy and things of that nature, you know. So I'm not trying to go through all that. I know the history of my hair, okay? So the other thing about a perm, it's like I told you, I would use a cream of nature, mild, regular, mild, because I do like that. When I was wearing my hair straight, that's the perm that I used, and my hair was nice, you know. But then the cons. When I put heat on my hair is gonna break. Period. I don't even have to go all off into it. When I go to, do my hair and everything and curl my hair and things of that nature, or it's gonna break. It's gonna break. My hair do not like heat. You go flat iron it and all that, it's gonna break. Yep. I know that about my hair. My hair do not like heat. So if I'm not successful with taking that perm out enough time, then I'm gonna have straight hair. And on days that I don't want to, flat iron my hair or anything like that, I know I can slick it down and things of that nature. But guys, that's just something I remembered. I regretted putting a perm in my hair when I did put a perm in my hair. A day didn't go by and I said, why did you do that? I regretted it instantly. Okay, so fine. Now the texturizer. We all know that the texturizer is a form of a perm. It's a texturizer, right? And it's meant to make our hair curly and everything like that. And I love, putting the texturizer in my hair because it just look good to me. It loosens up my curls and it gives me the look that I want, I like my texturizers, guys. My regular strength texturizers by S Curl. I do. But then, that's a good thing about it. It's convenient too, guys. We know it's convenient. I put that stuff on my hair, let it just do what it's gonna do, curl up, put a little gel wherever I want to put it, and I'm out the door. Easy. I'm out the door. I don't have to worry about my hair messing up if I'm, working out, or if I go, out of town. I ain't gotta carry wigs with me or anything. Just carry me some, product or whatever, and I can go swimming and all that stuff, work out, swimming. It's just convenient. This texturizer is convenient. And my hair, it does hold a lot of moisture because I'm constantly moisturizing it with good things for my hair. And y'all know that. Y'all seen the products that I have been doing reviews on. Y'all know the concoctions that we have made up because, for a matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, we added glycerin to this concoction here, and my hair just took off. It took off. I'm telling you, it took off because that's what my hair was needing. I'm not saying my hair wouldn't take off with a perm with the glycerin in that, but I'm telling you the convenience of a texturizer, guys. So, but then you have the cons. The cons of a texturizer is I really don't want to put on a color if it's not going to be a rinse. I don't want to put on a box dark and lovely color or cream of nature color or whatever like that, a box color on my hair when I have a perm or a texturizer. I just don't want to do that. 9 times out of 10, guys, when I am doing my texturizers, y'all see me go to natural black Beijing rinse. I'm not trying to put all that stress on my hair. I'm still getting the color that I want and everything, and I have my texturizer. So basically, I do just gravitate to rinses. You don't want to put your hair under all that stress. You don't, okay? And then the other con about a texturizer is you have to wait a nice amount of time for some really good new growth to grow from your hair, because if this hair is already texturized, I want my hair to at least be, this long and grow out that long before I texturize it again. Because any hair that's, that touched the already texturized hair, you're weakening it and it's going to fall out, period. So you have to wait a nice amount of time between, texturizing and things of that nature. So really, to tell you the truth, guys, they both have their good points. They both have their bad points. And, but like I said, where's the fire? where's the fire? This is not a decision I have to make quick. You know what I'm saying? But I want to be able to just love and adore my hair. And when I put my texturizer in, I'm probably giving y'all the answer. I do. I love, my hair. I done even tried, doing my hair in a Pixie, slick down with a texturizer in it. So, like I said, I'm just in my mood of wanting a change. And I have really been gravitating towards, my Pixies. And I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you right now, I am on the fence. I am on the fence. That's why I haven't made a move yet. So I have all of my little, hair products and things of that nature. And until I make up my mind on what I want to do, whether it's going to be a perm or a texturizer, guys, I'm just going to keep, taking care of my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to keep taking care of my hair, and then I'm just going to be solid in my decision. But that's what I'm dealing with. Now, I know some of you out there saying, okay, well, why don't you just go get a nice Pixie wig, and, why don't you put some tracks in your hair, or why don't you... I don't want to wear a wig. I don't want to wear a wig. At one time, guys, I was a wig queen. I had so much hair in this house. I knew how to put it in. I knew how to take it out. So I wasn't suffering with that. Now with a wig, it turns me light around here. And if I'm going to wear a lace front, I just don't like how it feels on my head. I don't like it. I really don't. So, and I know how hard it was for me to come out of wigs. Ain't nothing wrong with a wig if you can take wearing a wig and things of that nature, and you are right with wearing one. But like I said, I do like my hair. I just want to switch it up. I don't want to go back to wigs. I don't want to even start falling back in love with wigs. I'm liking how far I have come, with my natural hair and things of that nature. So I'll wear my hair wrapped up in a beautiful decorative African wrap or a nice head wrap. I just showed you guys that before wanting to put on a wig. The last time I wore a wig, guys, I couldn't even make it through the night. I went to my event, I put on a wig, and then I couldn't make it home fast enough to take that sucker off. And so I know I am with wigs, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to put tracks in my hair because I'm loving, how free of gunk my follicles are. The follicles in your hair, guys, in your head, they are so important. That's where everything really starts. Okay, that's where things start. So the healthiness of your follicles, and you clogging it up with all that glue and stuff. And no, I don't want to do it. Put it like that. Well, guys, I am on the fence. I just thought I would come by and share that with you guys. Leave in the comment section down below anything that you want to add, to what I said that I'm probably overlooking. Give me some advice on what you think I should do, guys. If this video has helped you make up your mind on what you want to do or what you should do, but the first thing I'm going to do is keep the healthiness of my hair first, So guys, that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know or want to add. And guys, by now you have to know that you are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. And guys, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. And I am going to see you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.